let's create the environment and see if it is working fine or not. It would create around six servers, I guess. One bastion, three masters, three workers, and then one NFS server. It will create seven servers, I guess. So it should have all. It should take all the process also which we have given, right? It should use the null resources which we have provided, uh, in this file. It should consider everything. It should consider this process and all everything. So let's see if it's getting created, and let's see if we are able to SSH at the end of the creation of the servers. Let's see if we are able to SSH. Let's wait and see. You have created inventory file also, so it should copy the IPs into inventory file, and then we should be able to SSH connectivity is also automatically we have done via like user script. So let's see once it gets created. Let's check that. It's a complete private cluster which we are creating, so it won't have public IP. We have only public IP for Bastion host, and we are creating NAT gateways also. I'll pause this video for now. Like let it get created. It's creating NFS server now. It's created. So let's see. It is creating. It will wait for 120 seconds and then later create master nodes. We're adding this pause, for the SSH key to be copied into those nodes, right? Bash it will push to S3 bucket, and S3 bucket, from S3 bucket these servers will pull the SSH key. So it would require some amount of time for the bastion to push the key, and then some amount of time for the servers to pull the SSH key. For that, I've given 120 seconds. Let's see. All the servers are created. Now let's access the bastion host, and then let's see if we are able to connect to the bastion host. If I see the console, these are the servers which are created. These are the servers which are created. So for now, to the server, let's see if all the required things are getting loaded. Let's switch to the Ansible user. Let's check this file. Let's check the host file. Okay, all the IPs are copied, but I don't see master 2 has been copied yet. Maybe some issue at the IP level, I guess. It is not able to fetch master 2. This is how we are able to copy inventory file also is created. So that's how the inventory file also gets created. Now we don't need to do anything, just run Ansible. I see master 2 IP is also there, but I don't know why it is not able to ping. Let's run a ping and see. This is the command to run ping, and this is the ping.yaml ping hyphen ks which I have created. So in this file we see running on _node, because if I see this is the main group vars. So under this children control plane node and local is there. So I have to run on _node. So that's why I'm running on _node. So _node and testing the connectivity of ping connectivity I'm checking. So let's see. Let's check. Except master 2, everything is running fine. There's some issue with the master 2, I guess. Let me find out what's the issue. But for now, this is how the connectivity will happen. Automatically, it is happening. I didn't add manually anywhere. So automatically it fetched the IP. Automatically it created the inventory file and placed the IPs in the inventory file. So automatically this process we have automated completely. So I just wanted to show you this. After this, let's destroy the instances. I hope you got it. Bash connecting to all the servers. Bastion is the only server which is in public subnet. So we have EIP also for this Bastion. We can have or we can't have. That's okay. This file is being created by itself. This file has been created by itself. That these IPs are copied by itself, right? Via that user data script. Via this script. Via the script, it is copying all the IPs in via the script. Via this Bastion script, Bastion and NFS IP and all. But via the script, it is copying all the necessary IPs into inventory.ini file. That's how we are able to communicate to the servers using this script. This is script which we are passing while creating the node. Let's see. See, getting deleted. Let's get it deleted.